Hi, it's Eden Health Kitchen again. Good day to you wherever you are. Today I'm just going to show us how we can prepare green pea, how we can turn that into green pea pasta meal. So this is green pea that I'm going to use. We all know green pea is a nice vegetable, very high in protein, unlike other vegetables, very good source of fiber, has some vitamin C, manganese, folate. So it's a very good vegetable, but sometimes we don't really want to eat it as a fresh one that we buy from the market, and most of us that like pasta or want to prepare pasta for our children. So this is a good way to actually turn things around. So green peas, and that's the main meal for the day. I'm going to use I've got mince turkey there. That's combination of onion, spring onion, garlic, and that is my courgette, some carrots, green pepper, and that's the green pea that I'm using. The I call it pasta green pea. So that is it. I need some coconut oil. I need some seasoning, which is I've got cayenne pepper there, coriander, and minced herb, and I just need one stock of chicken callo chicken or chicken callo. So that's all I need. My pot, which I'm going to use to boil the green pea pasta. So I'm going to boil that for the next maybe 7 minutes, and I'm going to put some oil while that is boiling. Just 1 tablespoon coconut oil inside the pot. Then add onion, add all that there. Leave that until it turns golden brown. And this is boiling, so remember, only boil this for about 7 minutes. So just let's keep watching step by step. And that's turned a bit golden brown now, so I put the mince turkey inside. I'm going to add the seasoning now. So I've stir fried the minced turkey and the onion for about roughly 10 minutes now. So I forgot to mention that I'm using fresh tomatoes, so I've got 2 fresh tomatoes there. I'm going to add that. I'm going to add carrots and mix those together. Then put my courgette, the red pepper. So I've mixed all the vegetables now, and put in small mixed herbs, a pinch of coriander, a bit of cayenne pepper. Mix all that together. Give it about 3-4 minutes. I've stir fried this for about 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes precisely. So it's time to add the green paste now, the pasta. I'm going to add that into the vegetable. So mix all that together. So you can see how we can eat vegetables. Don't forget, our cooking in Hidden Health is not just eating because we want to eat, is eating to live, if you know what I mean. We are eating because everything we cook here actually have health benefits. As I've said earlier, This is a very good source of protein, even though it's vegetables. It's very good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and you can't go wrong with vegetables. So just so here we are. Green peas pasta meal is ready. So this is the sauce where it comes from just ordinary green peas. Then it turns to pasta. I didn't turn it, I bought it like this. So this is green peas pasta, and after cooking and all that, this is the end product, and this is what I bought from the shop. So why don't you tell someone about eating health today and help them with their health issue? Tell them to eat well and live long. Food heals and food kills. You will not eat the food that kills you, and I will not eat the food that kills me. This actually heals. It's full of antioxidant. Until next time, from Eden Health Kitchen, bye for now. God bless you. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families. Bye. God